All right, man, finally, it's going down. We got the second Lifetime hoodie drop from the Win collection. So I'm gonna make this video relatively short because in the first video, I went over everything that had to do with these hoodies. Sizing, details, inspiration, literally everything. So if you wanna know more, go check out that video. I'll briefly discuss some of that in this video though. So without further ado, we got the second Lifetime hoodie in black and gray. The whole idea behind these Lifetime hoodies is it's something that's going to last you forever. Something you can have in your closet for the longest time. These were 100% made in Canada and they are built to last you forever. These will not wear down on you and they will be an essential staple in your closet for as long as you want to wear it. So the first release was a lighter gray with a white mixed in, and I wanted to release a darker color mainly because I wanted to give people more options, especially the ones that cop the first hoodie. I like this dark gray version just as much as I like the light gray version. They're perfect. They're so easy to wear, and given how much I've already worn that light gray version, these will get just as much playing time. So the fit is exactly the same as the first version. It's true to size. If you're at all in between, go up a size. But for the most part, stick with your true size. So let's go over some of the details on here real quick. Obviously, the fabric is this marled color where you can see the light gray poking out. I got really lucky with this fabric and it's actually a little bit softer than the first version in that light gray. Not by much, but just slightly. The drawstring is done in black, and like I said about the drawstring on the first one, this is a high quality string and it is longer than your typical drawstring. It hits right above the kangaroo pouch and the strings go well with the side panels on the sweatshirt. So that breaks up the marled material a little bit. You've got black panels on both sides. Same thing with the bottom hem of the sweatshirt. It's the same exact material. So that's really nice. And you also have that black material on the inside of the hood. So that is not fleece. It is the same ribbing material that's on the side panels and on the bottom of the sweatshirt. You've got it in the hood, and that's nice because the fleece doesn't stick to your hat or anything like that. Also, this time I've got my custom tags on the sweatshirt done in black and white. And of course, at the bottom of the left sleeve, you've got my Win logo done in silver. It's embroidered in there, high quality embroidery, and it looks nice. That is going to be one of the only visible logos. I like this logo placement because you can see it when you're wearing the sweatshirt. A lot of times, if you're wearing a tee or whatever it is and the logo is in the front, other people can see that logo, but you really can't see it. When it's on your left arm, you and other people can see it. So I really think it's a nice touch. It's just a little reminder about what you're rocking when you got it on the left sleeve. So last video, I discussed my margins a little bit, and that let you guys know a little bit more about how much money that I'm actually making on these sweatshirts. And let me tell you this, it is not much. This is more so a vision and something that I really wanted to do. So the price tag on these is under $100. It's 98 bucks, $3 more than last time. For whatever reason, there was a difference in material price, and then adding my tag to it cost me just a little bit more. So it's 98 as opposed to 95, but still, this is the best sweatshirt you're going to find under $100. This is like up there with Reigning Champ, John Elliott, Aimé Leon, Kith, those type of places. That is the exact quality that you're gonna get with this sweatshirt, just not with that crazy price tag. Those places charge upwards of $200 for their sweatshirt. So these sweatshirts are available right now. Check down in the description. It will bring you to my website, and I hope you guys are able to cop if you really want one of these sweatshirts. I put a lot into these. This is not just some flash in the pan idea or something I'm trying trying to do to make tons of money. It's not that. Trust me, this is something I really want to do. I'm very passionate about this. If you want one of these hoodies, check down in the description. It'll bring you to my website. You can cop if they are still available. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll get right back to you. Hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. And if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Like, whoa.